Hello everyone, this is Tech Tank and today I'm going to show you 4 useful keyboard shortcuts which you didn't know it existed. So these shortcuts are going to make your work faster and easier to manage. So without any further ado, let's get started. So friends, now coming to the first keyboard shortcut. So this keyboard shortcut is going to help you to move effectively through your favorite apps more quickly. So for example, if I say you want to move from suppose Chrome to OBS or you want to edit some video so you open Clipchamp, how to move faster. So instead of taking your mouse and moving it, just press the Windows key with the T and you can effectively move through these apps on your taskbar and open windows. So this is an effective way which you can use for switching through your favorite apps without any need for moving your mouse. So this was the first hack. Remember the keyboard shortcut Windows plus T. So friends, moving on to the second keyboard shortcut. This is a special shout out for the lazy ones among you. So how do you open an app without moving your cursor? Especially this is recommended for the lazy ones. Now so basically you gotta press Windows plus the corresponding number to the app on your taskbar. So for example, Cortana would be Windows plus 1 and Chrome would be Windows plus 2 for me, and Word would be Windows plus 3, and so on till the ninth app. And after that, I'm sorry to say, you can't do anything. So that is basically how you open apps. Suppose I want to open Cortana, Windows plus 1, and there you go, boom. That's how you open Cortana. So this is a nice trick. You can try it with your other apps. So this is the second shortcut. Remember the key Windows plus the number corresponding to the app on the taskbar. So now friends, coming to the third keyboard shortcut, this keyboard shortcut is gonna, help you manage your work easier. So what I mean is that as you can see, I have so many windows open here and my work is messy. So I have to minimize all these windows to get to my main screen. Instead of that, you can press the shortcut key Windows plus tab and this opens this page. Now, as you can see on desktop 1, I have so many windows open. Instead of my work being messy and only on one desktop, I can click on this new desktop and do some of my work here. And you don't need to worry about your previous work as it will be saved safely. You can to view it from desktop 2 to desktop 1, just click Windows plus tab and just click on desktop 1 and you will come to your previous work, and that's how you switch between desktops. And if you want to delete a desktop, that's pretty simple. Just click on this cross and the desktop will be deleted. So this is an efficient and easy way to manage your work. So remember the shortcut key Windows plus tab. So friends, now coming to the fourth and final keyboard shortcut. So in this keyboard shortcut, it's gonna make you save your time much more. So for example, you are doing a project work and research work, and you need to switch through tabs between Wikipedia for searching and a notepad or Word for typing. So for this, I'm gonna tell you a way how you can do these two at the same time and in a much faster way. So for example, I've opened Notepad over here. I'm gonna get half of this window to the left side and Wikipedia half of the window on the right side. So this is how you do it. So press Windows with the left arrow key like this, and as you can see, the Notepad half screen has gone to the left, and I have an option here for the remaining windows which are open. I can choose which window I want to put on the right side. So I want Wikipedia, so I can click on that, and boom, as you can see, it's come on the right side. So I can do my searching here and my typing at the same time instead of moving through tabs, which is gonna waste my time. So now this is one of the scenarios you can get for opening. The second one is that you don't get those options there. You just gotta click on Chrome and it directly opens. Or when you click on Chrome, this is the third scenario. When you click on Chrome, it comes as a full screen like this. So to make it go to the right, just click Windows with the right arrow key like that, and boom, as you can see, it's gone to the right, and the screen is shared with Notepad and Wikipedia. So friends, this is the fourth keyboard shortcut. Remember the shortcut key. Windows for Windows with left arrow key for left side, and Windows with right arrow key on the right side. So friends, we have reached the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you use these keyboard shortcuts in your life, which hopefully will make your working faster and easier to manage. So friends, if you like this video, hit that like button and share this video if you think this could be useful to others. And also don't forget to subscribe. So friends, this is me, Tech Tank, signing off.